Hey guys, Justin here of YugaTech, and Samsung just released their latest power-packed Samsung Galaxy S21 series, and alongside that is this Galaxy Buds Pro. As you can see, it looks more similar to the Galaxy Buds Plus than last year's Buds Live. But of course, it comes along with improved and premium features to justify the Pro in its name. So without further ado, let's check it out. So the Samsung Galaxy Buds Pro includes a new chic pastel-like color called Phantom Violet, and it complements the new color scheme of the S21 series. We really like it, and I'm sure most of you do too. But if you prefer to get the classic colors, it's also available in Phantom Black and Phantom White. The charging case is a lot like the one we've seen on the Galaxy Buds Live, which is compact and square with a matte finish on it with the Samsung logo embedded on top. It opens up like a clamshell and it uses a USB Type-C port for charging. There's also an LED indicator on the front part to indicate the battery status of the case. Now, the earbuds themselves offer a similar in-ear style as its older sibling, the Buds Plus. It's got a glossy surface on top of each bud where the touch controls are situated, while the other inner half of each bud has a matte plastic finish for a more comfortable feel. Additionally, they're IPX7 sweat and water resistant too. Moving on, the Buds Pro now has a 3-mic system per earbud plus a voice pickup unit for clearer calls. One of its new features is voice detection, which, as the name suggests, will automatically detect whenever a person nearby is talking to you. This will automatically turn off the active noise cancellation feature, then lowers your music volume and activate the ambient mode. It's pretty handy. Another upgrade that the Buds Pro has is the 360 audio. This allows a more immersive surround sound experience from every angle. Yes, it's kinda like the spatial audio on the AirPods Pro and AirPods Max. Speaking of which, the Buds Pro also now connects seamlessly between Samsung devices. And this includes an auto switch from one Samsung device to another without having to pair back and forth. For internals, the Galaxy Buds Pro has a 6.5mm tweeter and an 11mm woofer, which translates to a more balanced audio quality with less distortion. It has Bixby, of course, and an improved active noise cancellation feature that can block 99%. Plus, it now has 4 adjustable ambient levels. Battery-wise, the Buds can get up to 5 hours of music playback and 18 hours with the charging case on a single charge. It is pretty average, but if you want to get the most out of your Buds Pro's battery life, then we suggest turning off the active noise cancelling feature. When it comes to price, as of the creation of this video, there's no official tag yet in the Philippines. But we'll update you guys in the description box below once it's available. So, for all the new features and upgrades that the Galaxy Buds Pro shows, we can say that this is a real competition in the market. It is a perfect pair for the newest S21 series. And if you want to know more about Samsung's newest S21 line, we'll also put the links in the description box. And that's it for now, guys. Let us know what you think about this Samsung Galaxy Buds Pro in the comments. And if you enjoyed this video, be sure to drop a like, subscribe to our channel for more content, hit that bell icon so you don't miss any future uploads, and be sure to visit YugaTech.com for the latest tech news and reviews. Once again, this is Justin, and don't forget to wash your hands and stay at home.